Hello and welcome friends of our homestead. In our this week's video I'd like to show you how to change the forward belt on this 22-inch Champion tiller. I bought this tiller 1.5 years ago, brand new from Canadian Tire, and I was a little surprised that the belt only lasts for 2 seasons, so for 1.5 years. Now I have to change the forward belt because there is no more traction if you push the clutch. I fixed it temporary so that there's a little more traction, but it's only good enough to move it, not to till with the tiller. Before you start pulling the starter, you should make sure there is enough fuel in it, so I check the gas first to make sure it's definitely enough to start it. Two pulls before it starts, that's not bad for right after the winter. It is only good if it stinks, if it smokes and if it makes noise. Only if it stinks, smokes and if it makes noise. And sometimes it makes more sense if you push the joke out before you give more gas. In order to be able to use the tiller, I temporarily mounted this old belt tensioner on the tiller to compensate for the length of the worn belt. The only problem is that belt tensioner sticks out of the housing. Unfortunately, the cover then no longer fits, otherwise I wouldn't replace the belt. It would last a long time, but safety first. So now the old belt can go. Here you can see the difference between the old one and the new one. So really the length is not the problem, it's worn out at both sides, so the V-belt goes deeper into the groove from the pulley, which makes the belt longer, and you cannot adjust the clutch far enough that you can push it and there is traction again on the big pulley of the tiller. Here you can see it better. The new one is a little wider than the old worn out one. The new belt sticks a little out of the pulley, which should give the belt traction if I push the clutch. Then I start putting everything back together. We launched our Patreon website a couple days ago. There you will find a lot of interesting information about our homestead farm, our current, new and future projects, uncut video material for new videos, files to download and much more. Be a member and support us, it starts from $3 a month. You can find us at www.patreon.com/dsfarm or click on the link in the description down below. And we like to say thank you up front for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel, hit only the button in the lower right corner, and if you like our videos and what we do, don't forget to leave a thumb up for us and hit the notification bell if you want to be up to date. And now is the tiller again ready to go. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. If you like to support us a little, you can still buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, or visit us on our new Patreon website. You can find that link also in the description down below, and we see us next week.